Atlantis Running Challenge, day 1. I need either a lobotomy or an exorcism. We'll talk on the beach. And we're off. You're probably wondering two things. 1, why do you need a lobotomy? And 2, what is the Atlantis Running Challenge? Steps we're adding something fun. Mile 1, 9:35. I'm gonna take a little walk break because I don't have water out here. It's really hot and I just want to catch my breath. Okay, let's get to our story. Went to the hotel and I noticed that the zippers were broken on my luggage. At first, I don't know why my head didn't go that someone, went through my things. First thought was like, it's not your luggage. Found some more. My little jewelry case was open and my jewelry was everywhere. My purses were open as well. My Snoopy wristlet, my back charms were out. And I know for a fact that they were in the thing and it was zipped. I started looking for my jewelry. I noticed certain things on it. I ended up calling my mom. I didn't bring anything expensive, luckily, but there were some rings and earrings gone. I keep having to tie my shoe. Nope. You're on a boat. My mom said to me, put a lock on it. And that's when it clicked. I was like, oh, there was no lock when I got it. I ended up looking. The lock was still attached, but they had cut the piece of the zipper, which is on them because who goes through a pink Hello Kitty luggage and thinks that they're gonna find something really tasteful? One thing that I'm really worried about, I have this ring that I wear all the time, and I do think that if I brought it, it would have traveled on my hand. It's just like a vintage silver Tiffany's ring, more like sentimental than the fact that it's from Tiffany's. My mom used to work for Tiffany's in the 90s, and that was something that she bought when she worked there, and she gave it to me. My shoe was untied again, 3 times, but I'm just trying to focus on what I can control. Today's kind of thing is that I'm focusing on my good health. I have a body that we have marathons, ultra marathons, all majors. We'll be fine. So funny though, because one of the first things that I checked is that they didn't take my Snoopy wristlet or my Snoopy back charm and my Snoopy pajamas, and they didn't. So I was like, okay, a win is a win. I'm wearing it for 5 minutes. The entire zipper fell off my wristlet. 3 for 3 with zippers. A long-winded story time for a long-winded run. But now we can finally tell you what the Atlantis Running Challenge is. It doesn't exist. I thought of it myself. The idea here is just to do a run every day. No matter how long or how short. It's the busiest summer of my life. Really living out of a suitcase. I'm going right from place to place to place to place to place. You know what? I have an idea. A little bit of a alright. Little body temp. No? Okay. Here we go. Yeah. We're at 3.5. In a perfect world, I would keep going because I'm having amazing runner's high today, but my knee is acting up and it's starting to shoot up my hip and back, so gotta calm down. I have 5. All right, we found the stairs again, so I think that's it for today.